Today we're testing out a cordless rotary tool from Katerk. It has a ton of different attachments, has 6 different speeds, and works quite well. And this rotary tool comes shipped to your door, ready to help you out with your projects as well. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, a box containing all of your attachments, and then the rotary tool. The bottom has a charge port, and the top has your on-off switch and lock button. Power it on, and the display screen turns on, showing the speed as well as the battery level. You can push the button on the bottom, up and down to change the speed from 1 to 6. And then you can hold the lock button to unlock the tool and put in different attachments. We personally got this to help with our pumpkin carving this year. So we picked the attachment we wanted and got to it. The tool made getting the skin off the pumpkin really easy. Our goal was to skin it in the shape of a jack-o'-lantern and let the chickens finish it off. So we carved in some designs and then gave the pumpkins to the chickens. They had a blast, and the results were great. Aside from pumpkin carving, you can also use this on wood for your DIY projects. The different attachments give you plenty of options too. For instance, I was able to put on a sanding attachment and begin removing the rust from these old bars. It'd take a while to do the whole thing, but it'd be nice to repair some old rusty tools for sure. The battery is long lasting too. It has a 4000 mAh battery, and I still have plenty of battery after all this usage. I can see this being handy in future projects for sure. So if you're looking for a nice rotary tool with plenty of options, this one from Katerk might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go check out our finished jack-o'-lanterns. See ya.